Henry Ford once said, "Whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right." This profound statement encapsulates the power of mindset in unlocking your potential and achieving success. You see, success is not a destination, it's a journey. A journey that begins with a single thought, the thought that you can. The journey to success is like a marathon, not a sprint. It's not about the swift rise to the top, but the steady, relentless pursuit of your dreams. It's about facing challenges, making mistakes and learning from them. It's about resilience and endurance, about not giving up when the going gets tough. But the first step, the spark that sets everything in motion, is the belief in your ability to succeed. It's about having a success-oriented mindset, a positive outlook that fuels your determination and drive. Remember, your mindset is the ignition switch to your success journey. Success is not a random event, it's a deliberate and conscious pursuit. These words resonate deeply because they underscore the reality that success is achieved through intentional planning and action. It's not about waiting for good fortune to strike or hoping for the best. It's about charting your course and navigating your path deliberately. Consider a ship setting sail. The captain doesn't just drift aimlessly, hoping to stumble upon a destination. No, he plots a course, sets the sails, and navigates the seas. Similarly, in the quest for success, setting clear and achievable goals is the cornerstone. It's about identifying where you want to go and outlining the steps to get there. Now, you might ask, how do I set these goals? One effective method is to use SMART goals. SMART is an acronym that stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Let's break it down. The specific goals are well-defined and clear, leaving no room for ambiguity. Instead of saying, "I want to be successful," you might say, "I want to grow my business by 20% this year." Measurable goals allow you to track your progress. You can break down your goal into milestones and celebrate your achievements along the way. Achievable goals are realistic and within your abilities. They push you to stretch your limits, but are not so far out of reach that they discourage you. Relevant goals align with your broader objectives and values. They resonate with your passion and purpose, making you more motivated to achieve them. Lastly, time-bound goals have a deadline. This creates a sense of urgency and prompts you to act. With SMART goals, you can chart your course towards success. But remember, as you navigate your journey, be flexible. Be willing to adjust your sails when the winds of life change direction. In conclusion, setting clear and achievable goals is essential in your journey towards success. It's about plotting your course, setting your sails, and navigating your path deliberately. And remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish, so start planning, start doing, and set sail towards your dreams. The road to success is filled with obstacles. The question is, will you turn around? As we traverse the path to unlocking our potential, we are inevitably met with challenges. These roadblocks can be daunting, they can make us question our abilities, and at times they may even coax us into believing that the journey is not worth it. But it's in these moments of doubt that the power of perseverance comes into play. Perseverance is the unwavering commitment to keep going, to press forward, despite the hurdles that stand in our way. It's the burning desire within us that refuses to accept defeat, that pushes us to try just one more time. It's the stubborn belief that no matter how tough the going gets, we have what it takes to keep moving forward. Consider the story of Thomas Edison. His journey to inventing the light bulb was not a smooth one. In fact, he faced over 1,000 failed attempts before he finally succeeded. But did he give up? No. He once said, "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." That's the spirit of perseverance. Or take the example of J.K. Rowling. Before she became the renowned author of the Harry Potter series, she was a single mother living off welfare. Her manuscript was rejected by 12 publishers, but she didn't let that deter her. She persisted, and today she's one of the most successful authors in the world. These stories are a testament to the fact that perseverance and resilience are key components on the road to success. They highlight the importance of staying committed to our goals, even when faced with setbacks. They remind us that failure is not the end, but rather a stepping stone on the path to success. Remember, obstacles are not roadblocks, they are merely detours on the path to success. They test our resolve, our determination, and our courage. They push us to grow, to learn, and to become stronger versions of ourselves. So the next time you face a challenge, don't turn around. Embrace it, learn from it, grow from it, because in the end, it's not about how many times you fall, but how many times you get back up. Scene script. Success is not a destination, it's a journey of continuous learning and improvement. Imagine you're an explorer, charting unfamiliar territories. You're bound to stumble and falter, but with every misstep you learn something new. You grow. This is the essence of a growth mindset. It's not about being perfect from the get-go, but about embracing the process of learning, adapting, and improving. Think of it as a compass guiding you towards your dreams. Now let's delve into the heart of a growth mindset. It's about believing in your capacity to develop your abilities. It's about understanding that intelligence and skill are not fixed traits that you're born with, but are qualities that can be cultivated through effort and perseverance. Consider the story of Thomas Edison. He didn't invent the light bulb on his first try, or his second, or even his 100th. He failed thousands of times, but he saw each failure as a stepping stone towards success. He once famously said, "I have not failed, I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." That's the spirit of a growth mindset. Let's not forget, a growth mindset also involves an openness to feedback. It's about seeking constructive criticism, not shying away from it, because it's through feedback that we uncover our blind spots, learn what works, and what doesn't. It's an essential ingredient in the recipe for improvement. Moreover, a growth mindset encourages resilience. It's about bouncing back from setbacks, not being hindered by them. It's about viewing challenges as opportunities for growth, rather than obstacles blocking your path. In the grand scheme of things, adopting a growth mindset can be a game changer. It's not about reaching the peak immediately, but about enjoying the climb, learning from the journey, and continuously striving for improvement. Remember, the only time you're not improving is when you stop trying, so keep pushing, keep learning, and keep growing. After all, every step forward, no matter how small, is a step closer to your dreams. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. This nugget of wisdom isn't just a catchy phrase, it's a reality that can shape your journey towards success. The impact of your surroundings and support system on your path to achievement can't be overstated. Think about it, we are, by nature, social creatures. We thrive on interaction, on shared experiences, on mutual support. In the grand scheme of success, your circle of influence plays a pivotal role. These are the people who inspire you, challenge you, and push you to go beyond your limits. They're the ones who believe in your dreams, even when you're doubting yourself. Having a positive and supportive circle can boost your success rate exponentially. They imbue you with confidence, instill in you a sense of purpose, and help you stay focused on your goals. They're not just cheerleaders on the sidelines, they're active participants in your success journey. But what happens if your circle is negative or unsupportive? It's simple, you become entangled in a web of pessimism and doubt, which can hinder your progress. That's why it's crucial to surround yourself with individuals who encourage your growth and celebrate your achievements. In the end, your circle of influence can be the wind beneath your wings or the anchor that holds you back. It can be your greatest asset or your biggest liability. So remember this, choose your circle wisely, for it can make or break your success. Success often lies on the other side of fear. A powerful statement, isn't it? Yet it rings true for so many who have reached the pinnacle of their dreams. Why is that? Because success and the journey to it often involves taking risks, leaping into the unknown, and confronting our fears head-on. Consider the stories of successful entrepreneurs. Many of them took what we might call a leap of faith, diving into uncharted territories, driven by a vision or an idea. They took calculated risks, understanding that while the possibility of failure was real, so too was the potential for extraordinary success. Take Richard Branson, for instance. He started his journey with a small record store, and today, he's the force behind the Virgin Group, spanning over 400 companies. His mantra? Do not be embarrassed by your failures, learn from them, and start again. Every risk we take is a stepping stone, a learning experience. Whether it leads to success or failure, what matters is our ability to confront our fears, to dare to step outside our comfort zones. It's about embracing the uncertainty and seeing it not as a barrier, but as a gateway to potential. In the realm of success, fear and risk are not our enemies. They are catalysts, propelling us towards our goals, teaching us invaluable lessons along the way. So dare to take that leap of faith. Remember, the greater the risk, the sweeter the reward.